Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sully here at 3D Dentist, and I'm super excited to be coming to the Metro Denver Dental Society early next month. That's right, October 4th from 8 to 4. We're doing a one-day course using 3D printing and digital smile design software in exocad. So really excited about this one-day course. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking digital impressions of everybody once they get there. So digital scans of your own teeth. We'll then take photos, and then in exocad we will design your own trial smile or snap-on smile. You know, it's a really important kind of takeaway that we can do with our own practices to emotionally connect with patients so they can see more of what their teeth could look like if they were interested in doing any cosmetic type of dentistry, veneers, crowns, etc. So it's a really great course. After we do that, we will then 3D print them at the course, and you'll get to take home your own snap-on smile. So digital scanning, exocad design, and then 3D printing on the SprintRay printer. So really excited about that. Check it out, October 4th. You can click the link below and or go to Metro Denver Dental Society's website where you can sign up, and look forward to seeing you in Denver early next month.